You had a heartbreak, broke up with someone, hurt. You know what will actually bring your smile back? You want to overcome and shine like you used to or better? Watch till the end of the video. See, breakup is an event like many other happenings in life. When we go through this phase, many thoughts cross our mind. If you're thinking that the person will come back because he or she is repenting losing you, or wishing you were stronger, or wishing you had known earlier in advance that the person is not right for you, don't be hard on yourself. None of these will help. What helps you to get over are these 5 tips. First one, redirecting your energy to reality. Means what? Redirecting your energy to reality means knowing that you can do it because you have done it several times in the past. Yes, in fact, you did it many times in many situations, such as you forgot or lost something and finding a better one. Like, for example, I lost this nose ring a few weeks ago, and then I ordered a new one, and this is a better quality one because this has metal which doesn't give me allergy to my skin. Scoring low on tests or quizzes and getting your scores back up, or maybe you lost your cell phone and you had to go to an event and you found the information from your email, and not taking your cell phone actually helped you pay more attention, something like that. So you can do this too. Heartbreak is also temporary like all these. The sad phase is temporary. It will pass if you believe in yourself. Start believing that you can do it. Go through the sad phase and then the feelings will start to fade. Allow these feelings to make you feel low and heartbroken. I know it's hard. One has to go through these feelings. Everyone does. Probably they don't declare or admit, but everyone goes through these sad feelings at some point in life. Second one, create the future you want. Plan your future. After some time passes, then you do this real work. For example, if you never thought of buying a cell phone, I don't think you would have purchased it. If I had never thought of buying a flask, then I would have been always drinking from a cup, right? So visualize, create your life, attract the future partner, write down all the characteristics in your new partner and tell the universe to send that person your way. Third one, attract. You become that person first. You become the person who likes to be with yourself. Develop all those characteristics you want to see in your future partner. Fourth, something physical to do for you. Easy, simple. Trust me, it is easier than the previous ones because this is to do with our physical body. Drink a glass of water and go for a walk. They help you to relax. Water dilutes the stress chemicals and the intensity of the feeling. And walking will get your energy off, those negative feelings to reduce or fade. So this is from my science expertise, being a professor of biology. I know how this works. Try it out. If it helps, continue. Fifth one, from yoga point of view, I can say that this experience, this hard experience, this painful experience takes you on your self-realization journey. Yoga is about self-realization. Yoga says that the real happiness is in self. Go through this phase and experience and think and let your mind come up with techniques or come up with realizations, come up with learnings that will help you grow. All the best. Remember, this state is temporary. Heartbreak is temporary. You will get over it using these 5 tips to get over your pain from science, yoga, and psychology. My name is Nalini. Like and share this video.